John's calling us from Florida. Hi, John.
Hi, Dan. I have a question. About 3 weeks ago, I heard on a program that in 2015, China is going to start issuing $4 trillion worth of their money in bonds. I wanted to know if you heard anything about that, and if you haven't, if you could look into it.
No, I know about that, John. China, but here's what it looks like. So China came out and said that they are going to give certain countries and some markets access to about $4 trillion worth of their bonds. And they're working on that by working through some of the brokerages in other parts of Asia, in Europe in particular, and hopefully here in the United States. And they're going to give access to their bonds. And it's going to be, at first glance, first go-around is going to be around $4 trillion. So that is going to happen. There is nothing. So here's what's going to happen, in my opinion. There will be a mutual fund company that's already probably set up, ready to go with a new fund on the Chinese bonds, and they're going to do something like that. There may be some opportunity for some individual Chinese bonds to be buying Chinese bonds. So if, but we're going to have to wait and see how that shakes out from a regulatory standpoint. And that's why we're not hearing a whole lot about it, because nobody really knows what it's going to look like. I mean, they know the Chinese government says they're going to give access to this, something that they haven't done in this kind of quantity. But so it'll be interesting to see if they actually do it. But I think they will. But there's no avenue right now. I can't say, well, there's going to be this fund or this way that you can buy those. We'll have to wait and see. And probably, it's going to be very interesting, because we're probably not going to know till about, a month ahead of time before they start, when we know all the avenues in which we can utilize to get some of those bonds.